विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुमचं या लेक्चरमध्ये स्वागत. आपण मागच्या पिरियडला ट्रान्झिस्टर बद्दल थोडीशी माहिती घेतली होती. तर आज आपण त्याच्या पुढचा जो भाग आहे, लॉजिक गेट्स, ज्यांचं वर्किंग डिजिटल सिग्नलवर चालतं. तर सिग्नलचे दोन प्रकार आहेत, अॅनालॉग सिग्नल आणि डिजिटल सिग्नल. तर त्या डिजिटल सिग्नलवर चालणारे जे डिव्हाइसेस आहेत, लॉजिक गेट्स, त्याच्याविषयी आपण थोडीशी माहिती घेऊ. तर सुरुवातीला डिजिटल सिग्नल म्हणजे काय? तर डिजिटल सिग्नल विच हॅव ओनली टू डिस्क्रीट व्हॅल्यूज, आयदर ऑन or off, maybe say as 1 or 0. Digital circuit, the circuit handles only digital signal, is called as a digital circuit. And the branch of electronics which deals with the digital circuit is called as a digital electronics. Logic gates. So what do you mean by logic gates? So logic gate, you see on the screen, that is logic gate is a circuit with one or more input signal but has only one output signal, either high, that is 1, or a low, 0, is called as a logic gate. So on a screen you see a digital signal, that is this is a high value and this is a low value. So high value is called as 1 and low value as a 0. So we see the different types of logic gates. So logic gates are electronic circuits which have one or more input and only one output. They may consist several numbers of transistors, diodes, resistors, and different electronic. So see a NOT gate. There are 5 types of gates: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, and NOR gate. So see the each type of gate in detail. So with the help of truth table, we can analyze how the gates are work. So what is the truth table? So truth table shows the all the possible combinations of input and output. And this output is expressed by a mathematical expression that is called as a Boolean expression. So Boolean expression is a mathematical statement provides the relationship between input and output of the logic gate. So first gate, that is a NOT gate, which is called as a inverter gate. It produces negated version of input at output. Boolean equation of NOT gate is given as y is equal to y, that is output, and x, that is a input, y that is equal to x bar. So the symbol of NOT gate is shown on your screen, that is y that is equal to x bar. So truth table, input x is a 0, then output y that is equal to 1. That is the invert of input. If the input is 1, output is a 0. So if input is high, output is low. If input is low, output is high. So this is about the NOT. Now see the different or another type of gate, that is OR gate. It is called as a logical addition. Here two or more input and only one. Any or both input is high, output is high. So its Boolean expression is given by y that is equal to a plus b. So therefore it is called as a logical addition. Its symbol is shown as in figure. So here if a and b are the input and y is the output, so y is given by equation a plus b, which is called as a Boolean expression. So see the truth table. If input is 0, input a is 0, b is 0, 0 plus 0, y that is equal to 0. 1, 0, 1 plus 0, that is 1, 0 plus 1, that is 1, 1 plus 1, that is high plus high, that is equal to high, that is 1. So if any one or both input is high, the output is high, that gate called as a OR gate, and it shows the logical addition structure of digital circuit. Then next, that is a AND gate. it is called as a logical multiplication. That is, if A is input, B is another input, then A into B gives the output Y, and that will be its Boolean expression. Two or more input, and only one output. If both input are high, then output is high. Otherwise, it will be low. So you see the all possible combinations of input and output. If input is 0, 0, output is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, that is 1. So this is about the AND gate. And this is its symbol. There is a difference between the symbol, logical symbol of OR and gate. Then next, NAND gate. So NAND gate is the combination of NOT and AND gate. So we see that this is a NAND gate and this is AND gate. So if both are combined, then we get a NAND gate. So we see a bubble at the outside of AND gate gives the NAND gate. Output is exactly opposite to AND gate. It is also called as NOT AND behavior. Boolean expression and its symbol is given as A dot B into bar. So truth table 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, product is 0, its inverse that is 1. 1, 0, its product is 0, its inverse is 1. And 1 into 1, that is 1, and its inverse, that is 0. So this is about the NAND gate. Similarly, there is another type of gate, that is a NOR gate. It is also the combination of OR and NOT gate, and therefore its output is given by equation Y, that is equal to inverse of A plus B, that is A plus B into bar. So output is exactly opposite to the OR gate. Its behavior is combination of NOT and OR gate. Boolean expression and symbol is given below, that is A plus B bar, that is equal to Y, and its symbol, that is the combination of OR gate and NOT gate. So truth table C, input A, B and Y. 0, 0, output 0, 0, 1, output 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, that is 1. That is 1 plus 1, that is 1, and its inverse. Okay. So this is about the NAND and NOR gate. Okay. Then next, that is the exclusive OR or XOR gate. So we see let we verify the truth table of NAND gate and truth table of OR gate. Okay, it's all right. So there will be this is not right. The truth table of NOR gate, that is A plus B bar, 0 plus 0, that is 0, and its inverse, that is 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Therefore, its inverse, that is 0. So 1, 0, 0, and 0. So output is high only when both input are low. So there will be change in its truth table. So next, that is XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. So compare two logic levels used in many different types of computational circuit. Uses of XOR gate. Odd number of high or 1 at its input gives 1 at the output. So its Boolean expression is given as A bar dot B plus A B bar A dot B bar. So its symbol is as shown in figure. XOR gate. That is, if the input is A is 0, B is 0, so verify the truth table. A0, that is A bar, that is equal to 1, into B0, that is B, that is equal to 0, that is 1 into 0, plus A, that is a 0, plus B bar, B that is a 0, that is 1, which is equal to 0. So we verify the first. Then 1 into 0. So A bar, that is 0, into B, that is 0, plus A, that is 1, into B bar, that is 0, that is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. So we get output 1. Similarly, A is 0, B is equal to 1. We get output C, that is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then A bar, B bar are 0, 0. So A bar dot B is 0, plus A dot B bar is 0, and 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. So only when any one input is high, we get the output high. Otherwise, if both are 0 or both are low or both are high or both are 1, then output is 0. So this is about the XOR gate. So these are the different types of gate. So in this type of gate, we see the 5 different types of gate and verify its truth table. So, and their Boolean expressions and their truth tables. So we see the NOT gate. NOT gate is the inverse of input, having one input, one output. AND gate, logical multiplication, A dot B. OR gate, logical addition, A plus B. NAND gate, that is the inverse of AND, that is A dot B bar. NOR gate, inverse of OR, that is A plus B bar. So this is about the logic gate. So we see the different types of gate. So we stop here.